What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. We have had some starting issues with this 205 in a few last events, especially when the weather have been rainy. I have ordered few parts. I hope this will solve at least some of those problems. I don't know, but I believe and I hope. Next, I will do the unboxing and show you what I have ordered. Yes, now I have a fresh set for ignition. I have the rotor and then new cap. These are, the brand is Vemo. These should be quite okay, I think. They were not the cheapest or the most expensive. They are like middle priced. Then I have the wire set, but here is 6 cables and I need only 5, I think. So I don't know what is the one, but I will find it out or not. And then I have new plugs. I have already done something. I will show you. I removed the battery and these intake pipes. And this plastic cover, it's like a raincoat for the distributor cap. It used to be here, but because it's old and hardened, I think it didn't cover this cap anymore. I think it's only make things worse, so it kept the moisture inside. So that might be one reason for the problems. But next I think I will remove the cap and then I will change the wires one by one. So I hope I don't mix the order, because the firing order is quite accurate thing, and I have been messing with those orders before. So I think I at least now I would like to do it right this time, in first time. And then I will also remove the cable from the coil. Now I have fresh plugs, wires, cap and rotor, and everything should be ready. I also managed to attach the battery properly and the throttle cable should be okay there. Nothing big issues, but soon we'll do the test drive, and at the start I will find out if my firing order is right or not. But I will show you something. I have the old parts here on the table. The blocks were quite okay. Okay, the 1 and 4, they were little pale, but 2 and 3 are, I think, okay. So nothing big on the ignition plugs, but the cap, it's finished, I would say, and you can see there's some kind of junk inside, maybe oil and water, so I think that can cause some kind of problems also. But check the coil wire, it's totally destroyed. I don't know if it's melted or what can cause that kind of thing, because I think you can see here the dark area, it's like melted, so we might have some kind of fire hazard with this wire. But just in case, I always take the ground wire off from the battery from all my cars when I'm not driving. Then I mean these cars that are not dailies. Dailies I of course have the battery attached all the time, but these cars in my garage, I always take the ground wire off from the battery to make sure that they don't get on fire, because this can happen. But I think all the other wires are also finished, so it was a good time to change everything. Well, this cable or wire is extra. I don't know where I should put it. If you have an idea, I would appreciate that. Thank you so much. You can comment down below. And this goes to the junk also. But next I will do a short test drive. And now the famous moment of truth. And I will try to start the engine. Yes, perfect. This tells me that at least the block wires are on the right order. The firing order is okay. But next we will do a short test drive. The Peugeot seems to work perfectly. Well, okay, not perfectly, but very well. No issues at this point. At least it's not the worst what it was. So the fix was a huge success. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.